This is Kwang of SuConTV Unlimited with Star, the #1 self-development YouTube channel that provides knowledge and wisdom necessary to live in the world. The top 1% of the rich, we envy them just by hearing it. Suddenly, we all curious about where and how to spend all the money. On the other hand, knowing where the top 1% of the rich don't spend money might actually help we manage it. So we prepared. In this video, we'll look at 3 things the top 1% of the rich never spend. If you want to change your life, please watch it till the end. We often think that the top 1% of the rich will spend their money freely and live in the luxury. So we yearn for the kind of life and envy. Would that be true? Facebook founder Mark Zuckerberg is the richest man in the world, but live a business-focused life, wearing only one savvy t-shirt and jeans. Tesla CEO Elon Musk also works 60 hours a day, so they don't really have time to spend money. Somehow, it seems far from the luxurious life we envy and yearn for. So what would the top 1% of the rich never spend their money on? First, the top 1% of the rich aren't just obsessed with saving. In other words, the rich don't keep their money in the bank. One report, What Wealth, found the rich invest more in risk assets like real estate and stocks than in safe assets like savings. In other words, the rich actively invest the money they have accumulated and raise money. Second, the top 1% of the rich are not obsessed with luxury brand. Since they are rich, we think they will only use luxury brand, but this is not true. In fact, according to the Luxury Institute, a US luxury market research institute, more than 80% of the top 1% of the rich do not prefer luxury goods such as jewelry and handbags. In general, many people who are obsessed with luxury goods are not rich people. They are not rich, so they are trying to look rich. It is better to be careful with people who have been plastered with photos of luxury cars, luxury clothes and handbags, and high-end restaurants on social media. They often have other suspicious purposes. Third, the top 1% of the rich do not value ownership very much, so they don't have the notion that something has to buy. In other words, the top 1% of the rich often rent cars and houses rather than owning them. They rent out whatever they want, if it costs less to rent. Even in my case, in order to become 1% richer, first, I'm not obsessed with saving money, but I am making money by investing in various assets, such as stocks. Second, rather than being obsessed with luxury brand, I try to make myself luxury brand. Through this, I do my best to live a shining life without luxury brand. Third, I reduce cost by increasing cost effectiveness, by renting existing products without being obsessed with ownership itself. Everyone, do you want to be rich? Then let's do what the rich don't do first. The road to true wealth will be opened. In this video, we looked at 3 things the top 1% of the rich never spend. Thank you for subscribing, likes and notifications. See you next time. We'll be with you until the day when all ordinary and good people become successful and happy through super self-management, which have never existed in the world. The change is myself, ourselves, and the world to shine. Thank you so much.